Depression breaks you down to the dead end, where you become physically unfit and weak. Your self-confidence and self-esteem is doomed. You are submerged into many other illnesses. You are socially isolated, and ultimately you get imprisoned into medicines forever. Do you want to wake up? Do you want to overcome depression? Are you willing to help yourself? If yes, then watch this video till the end, because I'm going to share 3 steps to overcome depression and 3 powerful tools that will help you to practice. Hello friends, I'm Falguni Jani, working as a counselor in integral psychotherapy. I have worked for 25 years as a school counselor for students, teachers and parents, conducted workshops for adolescents regarding guidance in career and managing relationships, collaborated with psychiatrists to help patients suffering from various mental illnesses like depression, stress, aggression, suicidal tendencies, fear and panic attacks, etc. Before we get into 3 steps to overcome depression, you must understand what is depression. Well, friends, you'll be surprised to know that depression is just a condition, not an illness. Believe me, it is a temporary state of weakness or ill feeling, just like a toothache or cough and cold, but may prolong if you don't do anything. It is really up to you to want to get out of it. And I have exactly what you need at this moment. Depression is just another name for a feeling of sadness, which continues for a long time, say for a week. What happens during these days? I can tell you exactly. Just the other day, my brother was feeling low. He just shut himself in a room and indulged in sad thoughts and not doing any activity. That is why I can understand what is going on when you feel sad. You must be thinking, why is this happening to me? Why are people against me? What have I done to deserve this? Why do I always fail and others succeed? How am I going to deal with this situation? Why does no one help, support me? What should I do? I feel suffocated. I'm all alone in this harsh world. I feel like crying all day. So, when you entertain such thoughts, your energy level goes down. You must not have any interest in doing any work or meeting any person. I get it totally. Nothing seems to be going right, as if the whole world is alien. Don't you feel that you have no friends who can understand you or any family to support you in this state? Friends, these are real feelings. Don't let anyone tell you that this is an illusion. It is really painful when you can't share what you feel. You feel so lonely sitting in your room, but can't think of any solution, right? I'm sure you're not comfortable in this situation and are looking for a way out. So, if you want to liberate yourself from this mental suffocation, listen to me carefully. Are you ready to overcome depression with these 3 steps? Yes? Let us begin. Step 1. Physical work. Get up in the morning and do any physical work, whether it is dancing, gardening, cooking, or just stretching in your balcony. You may ask, why should I do that? Well, Because our body is connected to our mind, and lack of activity makes it dull, increases laziness, and again reduces the mental faculty. In the long term, there is memory loss, irritation, and mood swings. Hence, using the body as a tool to revamp the mind is very important. I suggest you must do this for at least 30 to 45 days regularly and observe the changes within you. Step 2. Refocus. Stop thinking about your problem and refocus on what you can do today. Say, call a friend, read a book, or ask your family members, how are they? Well, why should you do this? As I mentioned during the beginning of this video, that when one is in depression, one goes on entertaining negative thoughts such as, why is this happening to me? Why are people against me? What have I done to deserve this? Why do I always fail and others succeed? Just observe these negative statements and notice the use of I. You are only thinking about yourself. If you allow yourself to think a bit in a wider perspective, you will notice that almost everybody faces challenges, perhaps even greater than your own issues. For no one in this world, life is easy, but all do not feel depressed. Why you? This is because you are too preoccupied with your own small world and its problems. By thinking more and more, you have made them bigger. Just think. Can any problem be solved just by dwelling on it all the time? Can negative thought ever help in bringing positivity? No. Hence, step 2, refocus, is very important. Continue this practice for next 30 to 45 days to overcome depression. Step 3. Affirmation thought. Just give this affirmative thought that every issue is not always about yourself. There are different reasons for a problem to occur, which you have missed, and which we will go into detail soon. And believe me, this will bring you out of the depression in just 3 days. You may ask, well, is it possible? Why should I do this? Let us first understand that there are two selves in us, one outer, another inner. In other words, a small self on the surface and a bigger self deep inside. The small self or the ego faces the outside world and at times is overwhelmed. Since it has limited resources of energy, it refuses to go on and takes a break. Well, taking a pause or rest is not bad at all. But if it prolongs, then depression sets in. How? This is because our ego or the small self constantly thinks about itself. Therefore, step 3 affirmative thought is very vital for you. Practice these 3 steps for at least 30 to 45 days and help yourself to overcome depression. If your family member or colleague is going through depression, please share this video with them and help them to overcome their depression. Now you have 3 steps. Let me now introduce you to 3 powerful tools that will help you during your day-to-day living. Do you know 90% of the depression cases are solved just by physical workout or a hobby? Yes, friends, that is. What you need is your willingness. Just the other day, a friend tested my theory of coming out of depression in these 3 steps. And, surprise, she is on her way to recovery by following this mental health self-help guide. So let me now give you 3 powerful tools that will become your guiding light during your journey to overcome depression. Music therapy with affirmations tool comes with 528 Hz frequency, which is a unique combination with double induction method that helps in inducing positive thoughts into the subconscious mind. Music has healing properties, and when you listen to music with positive affirmations, it creates a mental atmosphere of positivity within you. This atmosphere slowly builds new pathways in your brain, and you feel rejuvenated. It also increases the level of your dopamine, which in turn enhances energy to overcome negative thoughts and emotions. You can listen to music therapy with affirmations on Yaha channel. The link is given below in the description. You can also download self-help digital kit on depression, which comes with music therapy with affirmations MP3 audio. Link is given below in the description. I suggest you to listen to music therapy with affirmations early in the morning when you wake up and at night while going to sleep. Affirmations to overcome depression. I am relaxed. My mind is relaxed. I forgive everyone. I forgive myself. My life is in my hand. My confidence is increasing. I trust myself. I trust life. I am safe and secured. My life is safe and secured. I want to enjoy life. Positive thinking is my core strength. I am creative. I learn something new in every situation. I love myself. Life is beautiful. My smile is my identity. Affirmation Diary. Writing affirmations in turn creates a powerful impact on the subconscious mind and helps in changing the negative patterns into positive. Hence, Affirmations Diary is designed for you as a tool for writing affirmations. I suggest you write affirmations daily for the next 30 to 45 days. You can download the Affirmation Diary from the link given below in the description, or else you can create your own notebook and write the affirmations on a daily basis. Affirmation flashcards help as a handy tool whenever there is an attack of negative thoughts and emotions. Our memory triggers the past negative experiences, which activates negative emotions. Hence, using flashcards is vital whenever such kind of negative memory is triggered. Keep these flashcards handy, so whenever any negative thought or emotion gets activated, you pick up these affirmation flashcards and read out loud. Read until you feel better. You can download affirmations flashcards from the link given below, or you can create your own flashcards. Keep affirmation flashcards handy in your purse or bag or drawer, an easy accessible place. Use affirmation flashcards for the next 30 to 45 days and overcome your depression. So friends, now you have 3 steps, that is physical work, refocus, affirmative thought, and you have 3 powerful tools. music therapy with affirmations, affirmations diary, affirmations flashcards. Use these steps and tools to overcome your depression. Feel free to share this video to your friends, family members, and colleagues who are going through depression and help them. I am confident that you will be out of depression soon. In case you need any help, feel free to email me. The email is given in the description. I pray for your well-being.